Everybody, Jason for Jaspy's eBay, presented by our website at jaspyscasebreak.com. Check it out. This is case break number 4 of 2019 Bowman Chrome Hobby 5 case 60 box break, player break actually. We sold all players on the checklist in a 5 case break here on eBay. We are on number 4 of 5. We're almost there, guys. 2 more cases, still plenty of hits to be pulled out of here. And there you go. Let's open up the hobby case. Good luck, everybody. At the end of every break video, I will have a little hit recap. So just in case you don't want to watch this 40-minute long break or so, just fast forward on YouTube to the end. I'll do the hit recap. But I know most of us kind of like to watch throughout the whole break, so thank you guys for sticking around. We had a little break in between. It's actually going to be longer, but decided to push it up. So break number 4 starting right now at 7. Number 5, last one will start at 8 o'clock instead of at 9 o'clock. Alrighty, guys, good luck. I'm not sure if we're giving out the posters, honestly, Bill. I think we're going to use them for our new store, but I can see. I don't think we've ever given out anything that came out like that poster-wise, but I can ask, though. And then, obviously, I don't want to... If I give you one, then everybody else is going to want one, so... Probably most likely no, but just understand that. Because there's only going to be, what, 5 posters? What if somebody else wants one? And, yeah. If you come down to our shop, I'll give it to you. That'll work. I don't know how many of you guys are down to come down for the shop for that, but if you did. Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? We won't tell anybody. No, I'm not going to send it to you, though. Can't have it. Alright, guys. I'm going to rip open 4 boxes at a time. Alright, guys, good luck. We're located in Los Angeles, Hermosa Beach, 1402 PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, Hermosa Beach, California. Yeah, definitely check it out. We are hoping to be open for business within the next 2 weeks by October 1st. And then have a grand opening sometime in October. So, yeah, for any of you guys that do travel for work or vacation out here, you know, maybe visit Disneyland, I don't know, Universal Studios, check out our shop. It's going to be very fun. Very, very fun. We have like 4 huge 50-inch TVs on the wall right now. We are building a card bar, as we call it. So think of your traditional bar at the bar. Think of a traditional bar at a bar, and instead of having booze displayed, bottles of vodka and alcohol, we're gonna have personal boxes and cards displayed. So you can pull up to the stool. Instead of asking me what you want to drink, I'm gonna ask you what you want to rip. And you can go out and rip packs, boxes, cases, whatever you'd like. So it's gonna be a little different. We're not gonna be your traditional old card shop. A little more modern. We're gonna have also like machines, you know, kind of like you know, where you have a chance to win boxes and cards. It's gonna be fun. We got a pinball machine. So yeah, once it's all put together and opened up, I think everybody's gonna want to definitely stop by our card shop. Joshua, yes, this is the first boxes of case number 4. Oh, really, John? Well, that's still a little ways from us, but much closer than probably where you're located at, John. So, if you can, if you ever come down to Escondido, probably about 2.5 hours away, but definitely closer. I wish we could have a beer license, but no, we're not gonna have any alcohol license. But I guess we're a private establishment, as they say here. So, I guess you can bring your own BYOB. No, but no, we don't. We were thinking into maybe trying to get that, but it's a little it's very expensive, and I think Hermosa Beach is really strict and it's a wait list. So yeah. All right. Good luck. Oh, okay, nice. Been to Chicago a couple times for the National. Very fun. Armenteros, 299. And Jorge Alcala. So $4.99, Granky. We're getting there, man. We're gonna get La Tortuga, all right? Geraldo, $4.99. And Vavra, there you go. That's a bigger name right there. Colorado Rockies. Oh, you used to live in Vista, okay. Nice. Did you move out there to work? For work, what it was, John? Or where you are now, I mean, sorry. $4.99. Kikuchi. There you go, John. A little $4.99 Kikuchi, but still something. Maybe a Kikuchi autograph coming soon. Brown. And CR. That is Cam Rogner. Clark Schmidt to 250. And Rocio. Bowman's first. Ah, okay, so you're younger. Gotcha. So, yeah, so basically, it kind of made you, right? Unless they're just going to leave you here, but I doubt it. Unless it was with like a family member, I guess. I've always wondered what it feels like to live in the East Coast. I've only, no, I don't think no Victor Robles just yet, card collector. At least not autograph. Maybe some numbered cards. Like I've been telling people that come in and say if there's been any of this out of 250 Rhino Hearn, I suggest you go back to our YouTube, or stay here on this YouTube channel, but go to the videos. I have a hit recap out there every break, 1, 2, and 3, so you can kind of track down if I may have missed any Victor Robles. There, like that. Urias, that's a little image variation for the Padres. So you can look at each hit recap and see if I missed any. Aidman. 250. No problem, man. Yeah, that'd be easier than me. Ooh, look at that. Shed Long for the Mariners to 150. Arizona Fall League. And I know it shows Reds in the front, but it says Mariners. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. It's a player break. That's funny. It says Mariners, but then he has a Reds. Maybe he was traded. But yeah, that way you guys can keep track of what I hit that I didn't recognize. Blake Snell to 499. Schmidt. And Michael King. Oh, you did Cam Pendleton. Okay. Gilham. Oh. 499. And Miguel Geraldo to 499. Autograph. Ryan Boricki. Esteban Florial. And Nick Green, Bowman's first. Whoa, sorry guys. Alright, next 4 boxes. Small world, right? Joshua and John. Both used to go live in the same city, went to similar schools. It's funny. Small world, man. It's funny because a lot of our customers, you know, a lot of them are on the East Coast, but a lot of them here in California, West Coast. And a lot of them always talk about like, oh, I'm here, and they're like, wait, I'm here too. And they don't realize that they're in the same area. They go to the same card shop, and you know, like, oh, that's you. I didn't know that. Chris says, need some Garcia love. Is that the prospect for the Yankees? Oh, it's a Philly guy. Gotcha. Got a relic. Alright guys, this is case 4 out of 5. Oh wow, John, damn. Yeah, I live in obviously a suburb around Los Angeles, and you know, sometimes it's, I mean, every city has its bad parts, I really think, but yeah, like there's some pretty bad parts in my city too. I've been fortunate enough not to have to kind of deal with anything like that. I live like in a dead end street, like a cul-de-sac, so not many strangers and people kind of just enter our streets. But yeah, I mean, getting held at guns robbed when she worked is a little different. But I know school was a little dangerous, you know, with like the gangs and stuff like that. But I like where I live though. I'm only like 15-20 minutes away from Disneyland, 15-20 minutes away from downtown. From here, I'm like 30 minutes away, but I don't mind the drive over here in the afternoon. Corey Ray to 99.
Nice. It looks like Chrome 5 sold out, so we're done for the night.
And Geraldo, damn. Out of him. Nice, the 250, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Like to get a Vlad autograph. Martin. And there you go. El Tortuga. Astudillo. Alright guys, next one. 499. Garcia. And Jonathan Machado. No problem, Bill. And we got Estevan Florial, Arizona Fall League relic to 99. All right, we still should get still should have a an autograph here. Miguel Cabrera. Terang. And Gillum. Next box. Loriano. Gilbert to 250. And Torres Costa to 499. We got Buddy Reed to 150. I don't think so. Not yet, at least. Still a lot of cases that we have on our website, so I'm hoping. Del Rosario, Royals. Not that I know of, unless Joe did yesterday. All right, last box here. Keyston Uria to 50. Gold.
Oh, it went to
Meadows.
your phone number, and then we sent you a text. That's the only thing we had. I do not.
And Yamamoto.
So you check your text message. If you don't see it there, I can resend it to your email. What we want. You didn't get anything on your phone?
Alright, sorry about that. Last stack here, and we'll have 4 boxes. Alex Bregman at 250.
Sorry, Gilo, she was sold out before I go off there.
Kraus. Moreno.
Yeah, is that an email address?
And Alcala for the Twins. Looks like he has like a little heart and a Q to 150.
Alright, you should have it now. Well,
There you go.
Unless you don't care about your ecos.
Alrighty, guys. Last 4 boxes. Alrighty, guys. Last 4 boxes. Miss the beaches, huh? Yeah, not a city guy no more though. Yeah, I think once you get away for a while, I think you kind of grow to like either grow that you miss it so much you come back, or you kind of just like, oh, you know what, this is great. I mean, I don't live in the. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I live in a bigger city, but not obviously a bigger suburb around Los Angeles that's, you know, popular. But I can't really relate to like small town cities. I don't know if I don't know, maybe because I grew up only in this, I don't know if I'd like it. You know, obviously if I was maybe like you guys, being, you know, kind of, not forced, but hey, you know, you gotta move because your parents are moving, then it'd be a little different. But, I mean, other than like visiting my dad's side of the family in Mexico, I mean, that's the time I think of small town living. You know, the town literally is a small ranch, so it's the only time I ever experienced something tiny when it comes to family. But then again, you know, I have a big family. My mom's side had about 7 kids. My dad's side had double that. Crazy, but yeah. Me and my wife have always thought of like, what would we do if we like moved out of California? Where would we go? But, you know, it's like, I love living here though. It's just so hectic when it comes to pricing of, you know, cost of living. But I don't know. I guess I like to have things around to do if I ever decided to do something. Oh, really? Nice, John. Ty, nothing crazy. Not big in this case yet. I don't think so. Yeah, well, that's what I mean. Like, I think maybe leaving when you're in school could be tough, but not so tough. But I guess maybe me now, never experiencing, not living in California, not living in Los Angeles suburb, it'd be a little different for me. But I'm older now. Obviously, I'm married. Just got married last year in December. Hasn't even been a year yet. So obviously now, we both like make decisions together. So it's like, if we ever have to, we're definitely gonna do it. But thankfully, we're good where we're at for now. And then pretty much all our family's here too, so it's kind of tough. Whit Merrifield. Yeah, I want to hit a super. I'd love to. At least one. Peralta to 99. Naylor. Whitlock. Bowman's first. To 499. Kalanick. And we got a Jose Devers to 25 Bowman's first. Just an orange, non-auto, but very nice. Canario, sorry, for the Giants. Alexander. I think someone asked about him earlier. Canario, right? All right, next box. Pineda. Your graduating class had 30 people, John? Jeez. I think I had like 30 of my football friends that graduated. I mean, I probably had like 300-400. And I feel like that sounds like a lot, but I feel like there's bigger schools than I went to that had more graduating class. Yeah, that's pretty much small town living right there. Jared Kalanick for the Mariners to 150. Newton. Big Red, you had 28? Damn, that's crazy. And Newton to 250. Two more boxes. Nicholas Castellanos, 250. Rodriguez. And Morales for the Phillies. Alright, that's 3 more autographs at least in this box. Jake Bowers.
Did that fill? Collegiate 6.
Meadows. And Garcia, nice. Davey Garcia to 499.
I'll do Collegiate 6. I think that's that.
All right, last box of the case 4. Good luck. Ruiz, Keibert, Perez, Wensil, Corbin Burns. Feltner to 150. And we got Zach Brown as the last auto of case 4. Alrighty, guys. Boom. There you go. Case 4 of 5 in the books. Little hit recap video now, guys. These are just going to be the numbered cards. Cards that will be top loaded as well. Burns, Ruiz, Meadows, Bowers, Rodriguez, Castellanos to 250, Newton to 499, Kelenic to 150, Pineda, Jose Devers to 25, Kelenic to 499, Naylor, Peralta to 99, Merrifield to 499, Moreno, Kraus, Bregman to 250, Meadows to 150, Keaston Hurria to 50 gold, Buddy Reed to 150, Gilbert, Loriano to 499, Terang, Cabrera to 150, Garcia to 499, Guerrero to 250, Corey Ray to 99, Castellanos to 499, Florial, Boricki to 150, Wugellen to 499, Schmidt, Schnell, Aidman to 50, your Luis Dryas, that is a image variation, O'Hearn to 250, Schmidt to 250, Zach Brown, Kikuchi to 499, Geraldo, Granke, and Amenteros. And here are the autographs. Alright, so we got Zach Brown, Perez, Garcia, Morales, Newton to 250, Jimenez, I guess it is too. Canario, Whitlock, Alcala to 150, Yamamoto, Rosario, Torres Costa, Gilham, Stevan Florial to 99, Fall League Relic, Machado, Astudillo, Geraldo, Green, Geraldo again to 499, King, Shedlong to 150, Fall League autograph, Rocio, Rogner, Vavra, and Alcala. So there you go, guys. This was case 4 out of 5. In about 20 minutes, we'll start case 5 of 5. Last case of the 5-case Bowman player break on eBay, JaspysCaseBreaks.com. Check out our website, guys. More breaks of this as well. Appreciate it.